just innocent, man.
I don't need that.
Huh? All right, we're finding the final Pokemon vending machine that is in Vegas. The other two were taken out. One was because it was a temporary store, and the other was, I guess, taken out because they got sued in the link. So that one's gone.
No, that was at the Plaza
Plaza.
at Fremont Street.
Yeah, Plaza. The one in the link.
You know the one where it's Biff's Hotel in Back to the Future.
Yeah, it
too?
got biffed.
Yeah, it got biffed.
Yeah.
D-Gen, stand here.
Look, Fat Charizard here.
But this is the problem here. Swipe card.
All right, so we got decisions to make. We've got 12, 22, 32. We're probably gonna do one of these two. But tell me these cards aren't as valuable without telling me these cards aren't valuable. If I gotta hit 150 to get a more valuable card, that tells me that these ones aren't valuable. That's not great. I want all these to be 60 so that, or all 150, so that I know that whatever's in there is actually random. Because right now, it's not random. I don't think this is going to equal this. But we're going to give it a try. Now, 22 or 32? What do you think? 22?
22.
Boom. Now, don't look at this thing.
You can't read anything about it. Card payment.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, you gotta insert it. You gotta insert it. You gotta insert it. Oh,
It's approved. Approved.
There we go. Now, let's see, 22 seconds.
22 seconds,
Or
it
no,
seems to pop
22.
out.
Please wait. Successful delivery. Take your goods. Alright, what do we got in here?
How much is in there? Get it all, buddy. Get it all.
Just one thing.
What's that?
Alright, here we go.
Pop it open. See what
Here's
we
where
got.
we go. Japanese, 9.5. 2023 Ruler of the Black Flame. Ooh.
That was a
CGC.
that's a Pokemon card?
Yeah, it's a CGC. Wow. That's a disappointment.
That was the biggest con of my life.
It was CGC grade, 9.5. It's not even worth $15, so that's a lie.